Hi everyone, welcome you all to Akshara Junior College for IIT JEE and NEET Academy. This is Rashid, Senior Faculty in Physics. Today I am going to explain you about how to find the equivalent capacitance in case of multiple planes. So let us go to the problems of IIT Advanced. Right. Hello students. We are having here four plates, name it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. For these four plates, we are going to find the equivalent capacitance. Now, four plates will form 4 minus 1 capacitors. 4 minus 1 means 3 capacitors will get, right? So, how to get that 3 capacitors? Right, plate number 1, plate number 2, plate number 3, plate number 4. Now, plate 1 is connected to point A. So, this is our point A. Plate 4 is connected to point B. This is our point B. Between these 2 points, we are supposed to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Now, 2 and 3 had given common connection. So, these 2 and 3 are connected by a common wire ties. Now, we want to find the equivalent capacitance. So, what points are given? 1 and 4. 1 is A, B is 4. So, I write here 1 and this is our 4. Between which 2 points we want to find the equivalent capacitance, that we should write at the ends. Now, which points are common, that we should write in the middle. Which are common here? 2 and 3 common. So, write in the middle. 2 and 3 in the middle. I told you very clearly that 4 plates will form 4 minus 1, 3 capacitors, right? So now you see 1 and 2 will form 1 capacitor. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there, will form 1 capacitor. Right. Next 2 and 3, you see 2 and 3 connected to same point. 2 and 3 connected to same point, so it will not form capacitor. Right. Next 3 and 4 will form 1 capacitor. Right, this is our first capacitor C1, this is our second capacitor C2. Now, if you observe these two are in what combination, children? Series combination. We know very clearly for series combination the formula is CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Right? So, what is the value of C1 here? C1 is equals to epsilon naught A divided by distance between the plates, first capacitor D. You name it as C. Right. Next, 3 and 4 will form a capacitor 3 and 4. So that is C2 that is equal to epsilon naught A. Distance between the two plates is given as 3. I have taken epsilon naught A by D as C. So this will become C by 3. So we got C1 as C, C2 as C by 3. So we will substitute in this relation C into C by 3 divided by C plus C by 3. So this gives us C into C, C square by 3, 3C plus C, 4C divided by 3, 3, C get cancelled. So the answer is C by 4. Okay, so the equivalent capacitance we got here, C we know epsilon naught A by D. So this is the answer for this problem. Clear? Right? I hope you understand about this particular problem. Right? Okay. So if you understand this particular question, I will give you one more question, similar one. Let us go to the next question. Okay students, so similar to the previous question, we are having one more question. There we did with 4 plates, here we are having 5 plates. 5 plates are again as shown in figure and connected across a battery V. The separation between each plate is D and surface area of each plate is A. We need to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B, right? Okay. So now, how to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B in case of 5 plates, right? Now, carefully follow. Right, children? So this is what our 5 plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plate 3 is connected to point A. So this is our point A is connected to plate 3. Right? Next, B is connected to what? Plate B. B is connected to plate 5. So plate B is our A. Right? Plate B is our 5. Right? Now, which points are common? 1 and 4 are common. So you write in the middle. So 1 and 4 are in the middle. Right? 1 and 4 are in the middle. 1 and 4 are in the middle. Next, one more plate is there, plate 2. Right? That also you write in the middle. Now, carefully follow. Now, first capacitor is between 1 and 2. So here 1 is there, here 2 is there, we will get one capacitor. 1 and 2 will form one capacitor. Next 2 and 3 will form one capacitor. Where is 2? Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. Will form one capacitor. Right. Next 3 and 4 will form one capacitor. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there, it will form one capacitor. Right. Next 4 and 5 will form one capacitor. Here 4 is there, here 5 is there, it will form one capacitor. Now you observe how to know which plates are in series and which plates are in parallel means. For that we need to connect the system to the battery. A and B is connected to the battery. This is what our battery connection is. Which is connected to the voltage. Okay? Right. Now whenever charge is supplied by the battery, whenever charge is coming, for charge to flow, two routes are there, it gets divided here as Q1 and Q2. Right? Q1 and Q2. So whatever charge flows here, same charge flows here. Right? Q2. So we know that when charge remains same, then the capacitors are said to be in series combination. So these two capacitors are in series. Okay, and when charge gets divided here, Q1 and Q2, they are said to be in parallel. So these two combinations are in parallel. Okay, now you see this is our C, this is our C. If two are in series combination, we know the formula for series C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. That given out to be C into C divided by 2C. So it is C by 2. Okay, so these two capacitors, equivalent capacitance is C by 2. This C by 2 and C, this C are in parallel, right? Therefore, Cp is equal to C plus C by 2, 2C plus C, 3C by 2. Okay. Now these three capacitors we replace with one capacitor of capacitance how much? 3C by 2, and we are having one more capacitor of C2 is equal to what? C. These two are connected in what combination, children? Series combination. These two, if you observe here, whatever charge flows, same charge flows here. So these two are in series combination. So for series combination, we know the formula for series combination. What is that? Cs is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. What is the C1 children? 3C by 2. And C2 is given as C divided by 3C by 2 plus C. Right? So this gives out to be 3C square by 2 divided by 2C plus 3C, 5C divided by 2. C and C cancel, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So finally we got the expression as 3 by 5 into C. And we know the capacitance of air-filled capacitor is epsilon naught A upon D. So the final result comes out to be 3 by 5 epsilon naught A upon D. Clear, students? Right. With this, I hope you understand how to find equivalent capacitance in case of multiple